I'm Lia Alkema. I'm a member of John Calvin Christian Reformed Church, and I'm the garden coordinator for about 9 years, I believe.
I'm Andrew Alkema. I help Lia coordinate and operate the garden. I do a little bit of the maintenance here.
There was a group in our church that was concerned with justice issues, and they wanted to, and a formal group to see if there was any projects that they could do.
Space for the garden is now was just growing up in long grass and wasn't really used for anything. And with a little bit of drainage and some work, we've been able to transform it into a space that can provide community and provide food for our neighbors.
So they grew a few things the first year, and the deer promptly ate everything except for the kale. The next year we realized we needed to put a fence around it, and so that's how it started. It was a small garden with a fence around it, and that seemed to work.
So the garden has an impact on the town. It's a way of providing community. People who are searching for community. It's a way of providing some food security for those who need it. So the garden fills a number of roles between community, food security, and deer safe gardening.
We have a number of seniors who are in apartments and used to love to garden, and now don't have a chance to do that anymore, so they are here. We have some newcomers to Canada who have come the last few years to garden with us. And not everybody knows how to garden, so it's also a place where people learn from each other. I love meeting new people. I am a very social person, but I feel that it's one of my gifts to be hospitable and to meet new people and to make them feel welcome. So I do feel that this is my role that God has given me to do in this garden. I have lots of conversations with people, and they're not all spiritual conversations. They're just conversations, and we have built relationships with lots of the people here.
So the garden is probably the most missional, one of the more missional things our church has done. It's a way for us to connect with our neighbors, with our community, and it helps us fulfill God's mission. My favorite thing to grow is watermelon. And every once in a while, if the season is right, I can produce a delicious sweet watermelon, and I also love to grow tomatoes.
And I like to make salsa and spaghetti sauce and tomato sauce with all those tomatoes.